they are accepting also it is the international language. We bound to accept it is international language. As educators, suppose we don't speak English means it is the unfulfilled of our life in way of
Exactly.
education to go out of thoughts and ideology. But according to my ideology, it is the best for me. And such kind of good person and from the Brahmin families.
YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So there I upload conversational videos. I
Yeah.
talk to some good speakers like you, and then I edit that video. I make thumbnail, all the things I do. Then I upload that video on my. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In this video, I'm going to have an offline conversation with somebody who is an English teacher and who has a great command over English language. I got this opportunity, so I thought let's have a conversation and upload that video on my channel. So please don't go anywhere and make sure that you watch this video till the end. He is going to introduce himself. So please introduce.
Yeah, I am Amar Kumar Singh, and now I am in the school, and just I am staying here in the hostels. The Uttar Pradesh is my first time I came here from the Kerala, and just I am staying here, and I am teaching to students in the higher secondary department as a department of English. So I teach their English class to in the NCRT course. And I met, fortunately, I met to my friends one Mr.
Vaibhav.
Babu, and he's the very good speaker and trying to get the good knowledge in English and to speak out very manipulately. He wants to speak out in English. So when I heard his English, and I came to know that he is the very crazy to speak and very anxious to speak and very interested to learn something the good things in English. So that is why I'm very happy to him, and always when I'm getting time, then I'm talking with him also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. This it's your nobility. Ever since I met you, I thought we would definitely have a conversation. So now today I got a chance to talk to you, and I'm creating this video. And before that, we have talked in English language.
The skill is the very important skills, and all in our India actually it is all that educated person they are having that this language, and they are accepting also it is the international language. We bound to accept it is international language. As educators, suppose we don't speak English means it is the unfulfilled of our life in way of
Exactly.
education. I
Exactly.
think as far as my mind goes.
Exactly.
So as educated we must speak English as educated. Okay, but we suppose we can't communicate with the other countries, other states people, then what is the benefit for us to being a education? Okay, to being educated. So I think that it is better skills that my friend is studying and
Thank you, sir.
speaking also very nicely. I am very happy because I get such kind of person to talk with him at least always at least 5 minutes or 10 minutes, because this language is I think if you off to speak English minimum 5 months and 6 months, then it will not come out soon exactly that words.
Exactly.
Because it is not our mother tongue. Okay, it is the other language. So out of India, it is abroad language. So that is why continuously, suppose we want to speak spontaneously, then we have to speak continuously.
Exactly.
Then only it would be better for anyone, not only for me. I am also from India. Also, I am not from abroad, but we have to keep on our speaking
Speaking,
skill
exactly.
continued. It is a very important
Yes,
thing.
sir, continuity
So
is
that is why
consistency.
what steps already you have taken from of you, and now you are speaking also. Exactly, anyone can listen your English speaking means they will get happiness. I hope.
Thank you, sir.
I hope.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. And I would like to tell Amar, sir, he is a very generous person, very kind person, and you can't even imagine how old he is. He is this time 47 years old and look like 25 or 27 years old a person. Maximum 30 years old. And he is 47 years old. You won't believe.
Yeah, of course. Actually, I don't want to hide my age, because
Right.
actually now my 47 is going on. 47 after 3 years. I am the 50 years old in my life. So
Right.
the senior citizen, you can say, senior
Right,
citizen
right,
of that
right.
life. So that is why friendly we are talking each other, and no one can say that actually I am the teacher in English. will come to me and they know that actually I am a teacher. When then only they can understand I am
Exactly,
a teacher.
exactly.
Otherwise, by seeing simply,
Yeah,
they can't
they
understand
can't
that I
even-
am
yeah,
the
they
teacher.
can't even
Because
think about
normal
that.
livings I am living, normal livings, and I don't have any pride and proudness.
Hmm.
And I'm the very mixture to every students, to child and to young and to elder, and so such kind of behave is just I am having to with anyone's. So he is now 20 years junior than me.
Oh my
Only
God.
20 years or 20 years, minimum
won't be-
20, 100% 20 years junior than me, but looking like my elder brother, whatever may be. But okay, my means 20 years junior than me, but talking with me as usual. As usual, he's speaking with me. Such a is experienced in English, so he was without any fearness, without any hesitation. He is talking with me, so that is appreciable. That is appreciable. I like most.
Thank you so
Who
much.
can say whatever may be that I no need to go out of thoughts and ideology, but according to my ideology, it is the best for me. And such kind of good person, and from the Brahmin families, also very good families he born, and God has given in this world for special purpose. One day he will be the best man
Thank you,
in
sir.
his life.
Thank
I
you,
hope.
sir. Thank
I
you so
hope.
much. Thank you
And I
so
have
much for
confidence.
praising me, sir. I usually I don't deserve these kind of
No,
praise, sir,
according to
as
my
you
psychology.
are, yeah, you
According
are
to my
giving me. So
psychology.
thank you so much, sir. This your nobility and your generosity, as I mentioned
No, no,
earlier.
according to my psychology, as I am the
Right.
student of
Thank you,
psychology
sir.
students,
So-
so I can understand also by watching that face. So that is why I said. So one day time will come, because those who has that obedient, they can improve their life.
Exactly.
That is the first one.
Exactly.
Obedient is the very important,
Exactly.
and he has that qualities, obedience qualities. He has the first point. Second, that sincerity in work. Sincerity, very sincerity. Man, time to time, work means work, whatever may be. Maybe that world is going to be destroyed, whatever may be, but his work must done. Okay, and timing, punctuality, and work of physical exercise, everything time to time. He is doing time to time, eating time to time, taking bath. So it is, you can say, it is the real art of life. He is living art of. Life. Is a one person in my life I came to know. He is always preparing himself each and every activities he is doing. He is seeking best, and a good tone also he has. Okay, and doing marketing and managing to students and every qualities he has, I came to know. So that is why I am too much happy about him. And his smiling face, not any very danger mode, not in the big face, not in the changing the face in the sometimes, no, very calm and cool, exactly Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for praising me. And truly,
Very
I'm
nice.
saying again
Very
that I
nice
do
guy.
not deserve these kind of praisal, but you are giving me, so I'm keeping it. Okay. Thank
Yeah,
you so much, sir.
very nice.
So usually I have seen a lot of people and I have met, but you especially talking in English language. So I got sir Amar sir. He is from Kerala. So usually, he has some good qualities and some good skills. Let's talk about language skills. So language of sir is Malayalam, but he knows English, he knows Hindi, and he is fluent in these three languages. I don't know that sir knows other languages as well, but he is quite comfortable in three languages. That's a big deal. That's a big deal. Yes. So I'm learning a lot. So I met sir, and so here I'm really very grateful to have you sir here. So thank you so much for coming and joining my hostel. So as a warden, I will try my level best to fulfill all the responsibilities of mine.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
thank you so much sir for being here. And
या आई कैन स्पीक हिंदी. मैं हिंदी में भी बात कर सकता हूँ, हिंदी में बात भी कर रहा हूँ, बच्चों को हिंदी में भी समझाता हूँ, जबकि मेरा ये लैंग्वेज हिंदी नहीं है, मेरा लैंग्वेज मलयालम है. मलयालम भी मैं बोल सकता हूँ, उड़ीसा का उड़िया लैंग्वेज भी बोल सकता हूँ, बंगाली भी बोल सकता हूँ.
क्या बात।
ओके, और इंग्लिश में भी बहुत सारे लैंग्वेज है, जैसे नोबेल लैंग्वेज, कोलोकियल लैंग्वेज और बेंडिट क्वीन लैंग्वेज, अमेरिकन लैंग्वेज, ब्रिटिश लैंग्वेज, ये सारे लैंग्वेज का मैंने कोर्स किया हूँ फिलीपाइंस में. और फिलीपाइंस में एक यूनिवर्सिटी है कंबोडिया में, अक्सोनेसिया यूनिवर्सिटी, वहाँ पे बहुत सारा लैंग्वेज और स्किल मैंने सीखा हूँ. और हिंदी तो मैं बोल ही रहा हूँ. तो ये होता है कि आदमी का अगर जिज्ञासा आ गया सीखने की, अगर उमंग रहा, जिज्ञासा रहा और उसमें दीवानापन जैसा हो गया, तो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. हर कोई हर चीज़ कर सकता है, बस उनकी इच्छा होनी चाहिए.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल सही, एकदम सही बोल रहे हैं आप. मैं आपको बताऊं सर, मैं एक रूरल एरिया से हूं. So when I was born, so I found that people were not interested in English language. And even I took English as a subject till 12th standard. After that, I detached from my English, and I was doing BCom and MCom, Bachelor of Commerce and Master of Commerce. So these all the things were in Hindi, only 100% in Hindi. Nothing. Even I was not taken that accounting language of accounting is English. I was not taken it because I was scared of accounting, so I'm not good at that. So I took that and I finished my entire study, bachelor's and master's, in Hindi medium. After that, I stumbled upon English 1.5 year back, and especially now I'm 28 years old, and 1.5 year back when I was 26.5 year old, that time I was not able to speak. Really, I'm telling you. This time I do not consider myself a fluent speaker, but still I say that if I compare my that time to 26.5 year and now I'm 28 years old, so I can see that in these 1.5 years I have learned a lot. At least one thing is that I am confident enough to speak. Doesn't matter words are coming on time or not, right words are coming on right time or not, but still I can say that I'm contented.
Yeah.
I'm so happy.
Yeah.
And I'm very, very happy. I'm extremely happy to have you here in this hostel. Perhaps if you came earlier, so I would be on another level, but still I think you are here, and we are here for, I think,
I'm also-
more than 10 and 15 days, sir.
Yeah, no, more than 12 days.
12 days.
12 days having.
Oh.